Disclaimer, educational only, not financial advice. What if I told you that a single $200 investment could theoretically grow to $400,000? That's a 200,000% return. Today I'm breaking down the exact mathematical pathway that could make this possible. But here's the catch. It requires time, strategy, and incredible patience. Stick around because what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about compound growth. Before we dive in, smash that like button if you're ready to learn about real wealth building, and subscribe so you never miss strategies like this. Let's get real for a moment. Turning $200 into $400,000 isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't about finding some secret crypto coin or gambling on meme stocks. This is about understanding the raw power of compound returns over extended time periods. To achieve this 200,000% gain, you need to average approximately 42% annual returns for 20 years straight. To put that in perspective, Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, has averaged around 20% annually over his career. So, why am I making this video? Because understanding the mechanics of exponential growth, even if you hit half or a quarter of this target, can still completely transform your financial future. Quick key stats check. Let's break down the mathematics. The formula we're using is the compound interest formula. A, Rp1 plus R, RT, where A is the final amount, P is the principal, 200, R is the annual return rate, and T is time in years. Here's what your $200 could grow to at different annual return rates. At 10% annually, considered good for index funds. At 20% annually, exceptional performance. At 30% annually, extremely rare sustained performance. At 42% annually, what we'd need for 20 years. The key insight? Time is your most valuable asset. The longer your investment horizon, the lower the required annual return. Here's a side-by-side comparison of 10, 20, 30 and 42% across 20, 30 and 40 years. Step 1. Master the basics before investing. Before you invest a single dollar, invest in education. Understanding markets, risk tolerance, and investment vehicles is crucial. Focus on goals, risk, time horizon, costs, and discipline. Step 2. Choose asymmetric return opportunities. With $200, you need asymmetric returns, where potential upside far exceeds downside risk. Here are your primary options. Option 1. A diversified small-cap growth basket. Option 2. Broad index funds compounding relentlessly. Option 3. Targeted sectors like AI, renewables, and biotech. Option 4. Option strategies. Advanced, proceed cautiously. The strategy most likely to succeed? A hybrid approach with continuous contributions. Step 3. Open a zero minimum brokerage. Open a brokerage account with no minimum requirements. Compare low-fee, reliable brokers with robust mobile apps. Many now offer fractional shares, meaning your $200 can be divided across multiple investments. Sample allocation, foundation, growth, and a small moonshot sleeve. Step 4. Dollar cost average on a schedule. Here's the game changer most people miss. Your initial $200 is just the seed. To realistically reach $400K, you need to add regular contributions. If you invest $200 initially, then add $100 monthly at 20% annual returns. After 20 years, $316,000. After 25 years, $817,000. This is the realistic path. The initial $200 starts your compounding engine, but consistent contributions fuel exponential growth. Step 5. Reinvest every dollar automatically. Enable dividend reinvestment, DRIP, in your brokerage account. Every dollar earned should immediately buy more shares. Never withdraw gains during the accumulation phase. This is where true compounding happens. You're earning returns on your returns. Step 6. Review quarterly and rebalance. Review your portfolio every quarter. Trim positions that have grown too large, over 30% of portfolio. Cut losses on investments down 50% with deteriorating fundamentals. Research and add new high-potential opportunities. Adjust allocation as you approach your time horizon. Step 7. Optimize taxes and funnel refunds to investing. Minimize taxes to maximize growth. Use tax-advantaged accounts when possible. Roth IRA. Harvest tax losses to offset gains. Hold investments longer than 1 year for long-term capital gains rates. Consider your tax bracket when taking profits. Step 8. Double down on proven winners. As your portfolio grows and you identify winning strategies, increase contributions to what's working. Develop expertise in 2 to 3 sectors. Build conviction in your best ideas. Don't over-diversify. Concentration builds wealth. Step 9. Prepare for volatility. Bulls and bears. You will face bear markets. Guaranteed. Your response determines your success. During crashes, 20% plus drops. Do not sell in panic. Increase contributions if possible. Buy quality companies at discount prices. Remember, every major downturn has been followed by new highs. During bull markets, take partial profits on extreme winners, maintain discipline with your strategy, avoid FOMO on parabolic moves, keep some cash for opportunities. Step 10. Approach your summit with prudence. As you approach your goal, gradually reduce risk in portions of your portfolio, lock in gains from your biggest winners, diversify into more stable assets, continue compounding until you reach your target. Remember, the journey from $10,000 to $400,000 is much easier than $200 to $10,000. The first years are the hardest. Let's look at real examples where $200 could have grown dramatically. Amazon, 1997-2017, $200 would have become approximately $120,000. Apple, 2003-2023, $200 would have become approximately $50,000. Netflix, 2007-2017, $200 would have become approximately $80,000. Tesla, 2013-2021, $200 would have become approximately $40,000. These examples prove it's possible, but they also show you needed to. 1. Identify the opportunity early. 2. Have conviction to hold through volatility. 3. Avoid selling too early. 4. Wait 10 to 20 years. The challenge isn't finding one winner, it's finding it and holding it. Real-world case studies swing like roller coasters. Hold with conviction. Let's be completely honest about probability. The odds of turning $200 into $400K with no additional contributions, less than 1%. The odds with consistent monthly contributions of $100-$200, approximately 15-20% over 25 to 30 years. The most likely realistic outcome with disciplined investing. $200 initial investment, plus $150 monthly contributions at 12% annual returns. $191,000 after 25 years. Is this video clickbait? No. Because that $191,000 is still life-changing wealth, built from almost nothing. And there's a chance, a small one, that you pick exceptional investments and reach $400K or beyond. The point isn't the exact number. The point is understanding that starting with just $200 and consistent action can build substantial wealth over time. Before you rush to invest, here are critical warnings. Warning, Bomber 1, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Warning. Number 2, beware of scams promising guaranteed returns. Warning. Number 3, high returns require accepting high risk. Warning. Number 4, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Number 5, this takes decades, not months. Warning. Number 6, leverage and debt can destroy you. Warning. Number 7, emotional decisions kill returns. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button. It helps more people discover strategies for building real wealth. And make sure you're subscribed because I'm creating more content on practical investing strategies that actually work. So, can you really turn $200 into $400,000? Theoretically, yes. Practically it requires. But here's what matters more. You can turn $200 into substantial wealth that changes your financial trajectory. Whether that's $50,000, $150,000, or $400,000, all of those outcomes are dramatically better than not starting at all. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Your $200 is your seed. Plant it wisely. Thanks for watching. Brief disclaimer follows.